Okay, this is Weather Outlook, and this is your 72-hour forecast updated, and I'm posting this on June 17th, which is Tuesday. This is for southeastern PA, New Jersey, and Delaware. Now, these are your temperatures roughly this afternoon, late this afternoon, 4 or 5 o'clock, and you can see it's very humid out there, so it feels warmer than it is, but the temperatures are basically in the 70s for the most part, and just to the north, they are hovering in the middle 60s, partly because of there's been some showers, but a lot of cloud cover. So it really hasn't been a great day, but it's just muggy out there. But as we get through the nighttime hours, you can see some steady rain moving into the northern areas up here, basically north of 78 here in Pennsylvania. And you have some down here that they're just about trying to enter Delaware, but they're going to go to the south. So the southern part of Delaware gets some showers. And if you look up here to the north, this is around 11 o'clock this evening. You can see the showers dropped a little bit to the south. And they basically stay up to the northern part, north of 78, and come across during the night. And then as we get to around, again, in the early morning hours, around 6, 7 o'clock, you can see there's some drizzle, some sprinkles, and then to the south, even some showers in South Jersey and through Delaware and extreme southern Pennsylvania. Temperatures tomorrow morning, if you're getting ready for your day to go to work, temperatures basically didn't go too far. They're still in the upper 60s, and still there's some 70s, even up my Reading. You can see there's still 70 degrees, and this is around 7 o'clock in the morning. As we go through the day on Wednesday, you can feel the humidity, and you're gonna feel the heat. Now, it does get up a little bit. We'll take this step by step here. This is around 2 o'clock, and you can see the temperatures. Delaware, a lot of New Jersey, south of Trenton, southeastern PA, especially down by Philadelphia, and then down towards Lancaster. Temperatures get into the mid to upper 80s. Gets very warm, but that's the head of a front. And you can look to the north, and you can see there's cooler temperatures to the north, but part of that problem is we have some thunderstorms that are going to track across. I can back this up a little bit, but you can see these thunderstorms crossing the area. This is again at early afternoon on Wednesday, and they cross into New Jersey basically around 3 o'clock. Here's 4 o'clock. They gain a little strength here towards Mammoth County, and then they drop to the south. But here's a cell trying to get started. Basically, the line is here, but anywhere in here there could be a thunderstorm crossing through around 4 or 5 o'clock. Then it's just basically after that, as we get towards the evening hours on Wednesday, just scattered showers across our whole viewing area down here. And then again, it could always pop up a stray thunderstorm. But as you can see, as you go through the nighttime hours Wednesday into Thursday, it's the showers. This is around, let's see here, this is around 11 o'clock on Wednesday night. And you can see it's kind of clearing out. Here's midnight, and you don't see much going on, and you see some stray showers out there. But that's about it as we get into the morning hours. Now, this is around 7 o'clock Thursday morning. Again, your temperatures around that time. They're still pretty warm for now. They're still in the 70s, and actually, this is 7 o'clock in the morning on Thursday, and you can see mid 70s out there. So very humid, hot night or warm night on Wednesday night into Thursday. And then as we get into Friday or Thursday afternoon, take a look at these temperatures. This is noontime temperatures in the upper 80s, all the way up to Reading and Allentown, all the way up towards Newark, New York City, Trenton, southern New Jersey, right along the waterfront. Even the air down there will be in the 70s. And most of Delaware, you're into the 80s. So it really is a warm day, but it's going to lose some of its punch as we move forward here because there'll be some precipitation. Right now you have nothing, so it's not a bad day, but there's going to be precipitation to our west that's going to move in. We'll put this clock in motion here just another hour or two, and you can see this is now 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Take a close look. You'll see 90s. Yep, it continues to get warm. Some places in the lower 90s. Again, Thursday, 2 o'clock. And As we move this out to 3 o'clock, you can see those 90s are still hanging on. But look to the north, and you can see some lighter yellows up there, and that is your rain. Now here comes. This is again. I'm going to put this motion. You can see here's a thunderstorm line up here Thursday afternoon. That's going to cross and get rid of some of these warm temperatures during late in the evening. Now this is around 4 o'clock. You can see the line right here. It's heading towards Berks County, Lower Poconos here, and you can see. There's some purples in there. So this could some of these storms can be strong. There'll definitely be high winds, and there definitely could be a couple places that could see some hail. Look through here. This is around 5 o'clock, 4 or 5 o'clock. You can see the front is dripping down here. Some thunderstorms along at North Jersey, just about ready to get one. Stroudsburg's got one as we move down here towards Reading and Allentown. You got it now. Lancaster, you got them going here. And then as we go a little bit further ahead into the time clock here, let's move the back one. This is around 6 o'clock. And you can see these thunderstorms here are just west of Philadelphia, and they're just north. The rough ones are just north of Wilmington. But this again simulated, so don't count out that some of these storms can't be strong here in northern Delaware either. But then as we move a little bit further ahead, you can still see, look at this one right here by Baltimore. And here's one up here towards Newark heading to New York City. And there's some showers in between it. And then you can see it'll cross over Delaware into Jersey and Philadelphia. So you can expect some scattered thunderstorms even all the way up towards Allentown. And then this whole mass starts to move away Thursday night around 9 o'clock. It's on the coast, and then it kind of pulls away. And again, the remnants of the front Thursday night, early Friday morning is down here in South Delaware. And then you can see it comes up the coast a little bit, slides up into New Jersey, and then eventually it goes off the coast by 4 o'clock Friday morning, 5 o'clock Friday morning. And then on Friday we got a couple of stray showers, about it. And we get to the afternoon hours. You can see this is 2 o'clock. We've got nothing except maybe a stray sprinkle or shower. And your temperatures a little cooler, but you can still see temperatures are still upper 70s to 80s and a little cooler because that front came through. But wait for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday next week. You're going to start feeling the humidity, but you're also going to feel really warm temperatures. Some real field temperatures could be over 100 with temperatures into the 90s in a lot of areas. All right, everybody, take care. Be safe.